of my channel. Y'all know who it is. It's the Glam Princess. And I hope you all are doing so well today. I hope you all are feeling sparkly because I know I am. And I'm so glad to be here. I am so glad that you are here. So y'all, we are going to make 2 DIYs. So what we're going to do is a beautiful candle holder, and we are also going to do like this tray, something that I thought of in my head that would look kind of cute, you know. But I had this little like ball type of stand type of thingamajig in my head as far as the little display tray. That's what I'm going to make, a display tray, and I'm going to make candle holders. So I found these at Burlington. They were really some lights, some LED lights were inserted in here, but I am going to take this bling wrap off because I'm over this kind of bling wrap, y'all. And I know I've been using the other kind, but I love that kind, which is this. And this is the diamond wrap that I'm going to use. I got this from Amazon. And we're going to use these candle holders. I also got these by the bulk from Amazon, and these came from Dollar Tree. These are the candle, LED plastic candles. So these are stamp blocks. These are acrylic stamp blocks, and I'm going to use these in the DIY. I wanted to see if I could find these in bulk because I wanted to use these in a lot of the DIYs that I will be doing in the future. So I'm going to take this little disco ball or whatever you want, and I'm going to want to call it, and I'm going to take this off because, like I said, I'm kind of like wanting to use the other kind of wrap on here, the ribbon. So that's what I'm gonna do. So after I've taken that off, I'm going to use this ribbon here to go around the ball. Okay, Glam fam, so this is how they turned out. This is how they're looking so far. And I made about 10 of these, and we're gonna use all of them for the DIYs. And the next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and remove our backing from our acrylic blocks. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take our acrylic blocks, and we're gonna line these blocks with our wrap. Okay, so we're going to use these 4 round balls. We're going to use these 2 cutting boards that I got from Dollar Tree, and we're going to use these gems that I got from Dollar Tree as well. We're also going to use our diamond wrap, and we're going to go ahead and get started with this. The first thing we're going to do is take our cutting board and put some diamond wrap around the edges of the cutting board. Okay, Glam fam, so this is how everything turned out. Just super glam, y'all. Just super glam. I love this. It is so gorgeous. And I'm using this display tray to display my crown. It is gorgeous as well. I hope you all like what you see. And if you do, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Y'all stay blessed.
Thought I knew the red and it flipped. How many times did I ask about this? Oh God, why you let me find it like that?